I look in the mirror. The person I see is my biggest competition. Yes, yesterday I did great, but that's only the beginning. The person in the mirror is the real motivation, because every time I raise the bar, I have to ask myself, what's next? With each success and each triumph, I get sharper, stronger, tougher, and the challenges I face tomorrow become that much sweeter. I have untamable fire inside me, drive, momentum that keeps me striving for the next big thing, my next achievement, yeah, I did that. To me, success is a moving target. It's not something I've done, it's something I keep doing. And when things don't work out, I take lessons and go for it again. I am my own benchmark, and I don't stop until I am proud. For me, enough is never enough. I keep going for it again, and I will keep going for it again and again. That's how I own my success.
Momentum, here for every woman's journey to success.